operation started 18th September night. That is when our patrol along the line of control detected an infiltration movement on the LC. This resulted in a firefight. When all the factors were examined, we realized that the infiltration group was of a strength of 6 personnel. When the encounter took place, 2 of these infiltrators had come across the fence while 4 were on the other side of the fence. After the firefight, these 4 terrorists who were on the Pakistani side of the fence, they took advantage of dense foliage and darkness and retreated towards the Pakistani side. These 2 terrorists who were in the process of crossing the fence, they sneaked onto the Indian side of the fence. Once we realized all this, the additional forces were mobilized to cordon these 2 terrorists who had infiltrated into the own side. Because this area also has a lot of civilian population, we had to exercise due discretion to avoid any collateral damage. Now, all this happened on night of 18th. Thereafter, once the cordon was established by additional troops, these terrorists tried to sneak out on a number of occasions, and there were exchanges, fire exchanges in the intervening period. And finally, our troops homed on to these 2 terrorists who were holed up in a nala on the evening of 25th September. Thereafter, an encounter ensued. Out of these 2 terrorists, 1 terrorist was neutralized on the morning of 26th. Once this terrorist was neutralized, his accomplice, he pleaded to us for us to spare his life. There was a lot of shouting. He asked us to spare his life. As is the ethos and value system of Indian Army, we do not use force, lethal force against any unarmed person. So due precautions were taken and he was taken into own custody. Once we took this individual into custody, he has made some revelations which I will now give you. He has identified himself as Ali Babar Patra. Ali Babar Patra, aged 19 years, son of late Muhammad Latif, resident of Dipalpur, district Okara, Punjab of Pakistan. He has admitted that he is a member of Lashkar-e-Taiba. He was trained by that outfit, and giving details of his training, he has revealed that he underwent a 3 weeks course in 2019 at Khyber camp, Gadi Habibullah, Muzaffarabad. Of these 2 operations, major recoveries are 7 AK series weapons, 9 pistols and revolvers, and total more than 80 grenades of various kinds, and along with some Indian and Pakistani currency.
कश्मीर के LOC उड़ी में कुछ दिन पहले एक दरअंदाजी की कोशिश फौज ने नाकाम बनाई थी, जिसमें बताया जा रहा था कि 3 दरअंदाज जो है मारे गए हैं और उनसे काफ़ी मात्रा में जो है एमुनिशन बरामद हुआ था। उसके बाद एक और दरअंदाजी जो है उड़ी सेक्टर के LOC पे हुई थी, जिसमें जो है कि एक दरअंदाज मारा गया और एक दरअंदाज को जो है गिरफ्तार कर दिया गया था और उनसे काफ़ी मात्रा में जो है हथियार बरामद किए। ETV भारत के लिए उड़ी से मैं जहांगीर मलिक।